As global warming increases, the number and sizes of melting ponds are on the rise, but a recent study claims sea ice melting can lead to greater life at sea. When spring arrives in the Arctic, both snow and sea ice melt, forming melting ponds on the surface of the sea ice. Every year, as global warming increases, there are more and larger melt ponds. Melt ponds provide more light and heat for the underlying ice and water, but now it turns out that they may also have a more direct and potentially significant influence in life in the Arctic waters. Algae and bacteria molds can evolve in melting ponds, which can provide food for marine creatures. This is the conclusion of researchers in the journal, Polar Biology.Own. Small ecosystems, the melting ponds can form their own small ecosystem. When all the ice melts during the summer, algae and other organisms from the melting ponds are released into the surrounding seawater. Some of these foods are immediately ingested by living creatures at the top of the water column. Other food sinks to the bottom and is eaten by seafloor dwellers, explains Heidi Louise Sorensen, who is the lead author of the scientific article, continuing, keeping in mind that the increasing areas of the melting ponds are forming in the Arctic, we can expect the release of more and more food for the creatures in the polar sea.